Hey guys, welcome to a new video. I'm going to be walking you through my skin repair routine because my skin is dry, irritated, it feels tight, and I seriously need to do a whole skincare overhaul until my skin is back to normal. Now, right now, my skin is in this compromised state due to the winter months. I've been walking Berkeley in 50 plus kilometer wind gusts. I don't know what it is this winter, but it has been one of the windiest, but also one of the coldest. And then of course you have the furnace on in the house, and my skin goes through this every single winter. So I am going to show you exactly what I'm going to be using to get my skin back to a normal state. Of course, you might have some of these products already at home. You can just use similar products. You don't have to use these exact products. But to be honest with you, some of the products that I'm sharing, I actually use already on an everyday basis with tretinoin, with vitamin C and active ingredients. But when my skin is compromised, I eliminate all actives. I just focus on skin nourishment, repair, hydration, and moisture. And then sometimes I will add additional products into the routine to make my skin feel a little bit more comfortable. So let's get right into today's video. Of course, all of the products that I'm sharing, including discount codes, will be linked below for you in my description box. So I've actually already cleansed my skin prior to filming, and I used the Aestura Atobarrier365 Foaming Cleanser. Believe it or not, this is actually designed for dry combination skin. I have combo skin. I'm also very acne prone. I am currently breaking out right now, but this is amazing for all skin types. Even if you are super oily, I think you're going to love this because it doesn't leave a residue on your skin. It doesn't strip your skin barrier. It is a pH balanced cleanser that keeps your skin's pH balanced and normal and feeling good. But there's also great ingredients in here like glycerin, green tea, which is an antioxidant. There's also ceramides, a triple lipid complex that has your fatty acids, your lipids, and cholesterol. So these are all key ingredients to keep the skin nourished and just feeling good, you know? So I like it a lot. I really love this brand. Actually, I got into this brand last year, and this cleanser truly is one of the nicest foaming cleansers I've ever used. One pump is enough to cover your face, especially when you emulsify it with water. And this actually does a very good job to remove makeup and sunscreen at the end of the day with that first cleanse. And then obviously I always go in with a second cleanse at night just to make sure that my skin is really clean. And this is super gentle. It's also fragrance free. Now I'm going to use a facial mist. This is actually one that I've been using a lot lately. So whether my skin is compromised or not, I always like to use this. And this is the Allies of Skin Molecular Saviour Probiotics Treatment Mist. And I like this a lot because it has probiotics in it. That is my favorite thing about this facial mist, is because the probiotics are going to keep your skin's microbiome balanced. And so whether you have compromised skin or not, that is still great to have in skincare to keep everything balanced and feeling normal. But also there's antimicrobial properties to this as well, which for me personally is important because I am somebody that is acne prone. And like I said, I have been breaking out. So this is something that I do like to have in skincare on an everyday basis. But this also has 5% niacinamide, which will help to brighten the skin, fade any discoloration, especially post-acne marks. There's also glutathione in here and a lot of antioxidants that can help to protect your skin from pollution. So this is exceptional for the morning, but I also really like this for nighttime as well, and it really is hydrating. And I love the fine mist that this provides as well. It just covers your face so evenly. So I do like to apply that to my neck as well. And this facial mist has the ability to reduce the look of facial redness also. And during the winter, my face can be a little rosy. Like right now, I'm a little rosy around my nose, my cheeks, and my chin. So if I'm very consistent with this, I do feel like this helps to reduce a little bit on that redness. All right, so the next product is the Ordinary Amino Acids plus B5. You guys know how much I love this serum, and I usually like to resort to this during the fall winter months because that is is when I need that additional hydration. I don't necessarily reach for this as much anymore during the summer because I just feel like I don't need that extra hydration, but this is a very underrated product from The Ordinary that truly performs really well to hydrate the deeper layers of your skin. And whether you have dry, flaky skin or not, I feel like anybody can use this. Even when I am at my oiliest and I'm breaking out, I still resort to this because it's not a product that makes your face feel super tacky and greasy. It's definitely not heavy. This is a true watery serum. It is thin like water. Your skin absorbs it so quickly. No pilling, no interference or conflicts with other skincare products. It is fabulous. And I just love how lightweight it is, and it's an easy product to integrate into any skincare routine when you're looking for additional hydration. So I always like to be quite generous with this product. And I do go underneath my eyes with this. I feel like this is so gentle that it can be easily tolerated around the eyes. And sometimes I do get quite dry underneath the eyes during the winter, so it's nice to put a little bit of that in that area. Now the next product that I'm going to be incorporating is a growth factor serum. Now I love growth factors on a good skin day for anti-aging because they do a great job to firm the skin, stimulate collagen, and soften and prevent fine lines and wrinkles. But growth factors are also great to use when your skin is compromised, when it's sensitive, either from being outside, or let's say your skin is compromised from an active ingredient, or you're someone that gets in-office treatments and you get laser, microneedling, whatever the case is, growth factors will help to speed up that healing process with your skin. It's great for wound healing, and growth factors do an excellent job to repair the skin barrier. So this is going to be in my routine whether I have normal balanced skin or compromised skin because it's just fabulous all together. Now this is from Drmtlgy. This is the needleless growth factor serum. This launched later in 25. I've been loving this, but I also really love the Allies of Skin growth factor serum as well, and I tend to alternate between the two. But when my skin is drier and tighter, I like this one because this one does have a thicker texture to it. I do find it to be a little bit more moisturizing on the skin when you need that additional moisture, and I just really like the formulation because it does have ceramides in it, it has peptides, it has the growth factors like I said, and it's just satisfying to use when you're looking to hydrate the skin. And this is a very plumping formulation as well, I find, and it's fragrance free, great for all skin types. And I do have a 20% off discount code with Drmtlgy, and I also have a 20% off discount code with Allies of Skin. I forgot to mention that, so again, I will leave everything below for you. Now I usually do 2 to 3 pumps of this, and I put that all over my face as well as my neck, and I do bring this underneath my eyes as well. This can be used every day, twice a day, and I generally always use growth factors twice a day. So like I said, if I'm not using this, then I'm using the Allies of Skin one. But it's not sticky, it's not tacky, it just feels really moisturizing on the skin. And even when your skin has dried down, it just feels like your skin. It dries down quite skin-like. You might have a little bit of a glow to your skin, but it's nothing crazy, and you don't look greasy or sticky. So I'm going to apply a little bit of the Rhode Glazing Milk Essence. I love this no matter what. I love this on an everyday basis because it really does give a beautiful glassy, dewy, glowy complexion, and it does shine through your makeup and your sunscreen, which I personally love. But if you don't love that, then just keep this for nighttime. But it is a great essence to incorporate to nourish the skin and to keep it nice and hydrated and repaired. So there's a lot of ceramides in here. There's also a mineral complex that is rich in magnesium, copper, and zinc, and there's also vitamin E in here also. And of course there's other milky essences and toners out there. Like I like the one from Ilia, but this one is a little bit thicker, a little bit richer, and I really love it for the winter months because it just feels more satisfying and your skin just feels and looks a little bit better. So I'm just going to apply a couple of drops to the palm of my hand. and I do like to bring this underneath the eyes as well. I bring most products underneath my eyes, but if I am using, let's say, you know, tretinoin or some type of active like glycolic acid or something, I don't put those underneath my eyes. So moving on to moisturizer, I have really been enjoying the Aestura Atobarrier365 cream. I have talked about this a couple of times in 25, and this brand has been honestly one of my favorites. It is top notch in terms of how it makes your skin look and feel. The ingredients are top notch. This is K-Beauty if you didn't already know, and I absolutely love this cream so much. As you can see, I'm almost done it. I do have a backup in my linen closet all ready to go because this has been my go-to for both my morning and nighttime routines. It's rich, but it's very lightweight, satisfying to use whether you have dryness or not. Even when I don't have dry skin and flakiness, I'm still using this because I love how lightweight it is, but it's still providing my skin with a lot of moisture. It plumps up the skin as well. There's ceramides in here. There's also that triple lipid complex, just like the cleanser, where this has the cholesterol, the fatty acids, the lipids, but there's also a capsule technology with this, which means that this is going to keep the ceramides in the skin for a long period of time while it hydrates the skin. So it does have a patented boosting barrier blend, ceramide blend, that helps to fill in the moisture gaps of dry skin. So if you have any dry patches on your skin, this is basically going to cling to those areas and to provide additional attention, where it's going to hydrate the skin, moisturize, and keeping it looking and feeling good. This is great when your skin is super dry and flaky. I'm telling you, this is amazing. But even if you have normal combo oily skin, this is still great, and it's fragrance free, never breaks me out, never causes pilling. It is 10 out of 10. Now, besides those key ingredients, there's also squalene in here, glycerin. You do feel that glycerin when you're applying this all over your skin, and it also has vitamin E as well. So I'm going to try my hardest here to get some out of this too. I'm really trying to finish this up. With this type of skincare routine, I don't usually resort to eye creams and eye serums. Whatever I am using on my face for skin repair, I am using that underneath my eyes, because usually when my face is feeling compromised and dry, I have dryness underneath the eyes as well, and this cream does wonders when you apply it around the eyes. It really helps to repair that delicate skin. And this is a cream that also will give a little bit of that glowing complexion. My skin's gonna look super glowy because we've applied a lot of nourishing, hydrating products beforehand. So if you don't like your skin to be that glowy, then just keep this routine for nighttime, or eliminate some of those products that I just applied prior to the cream, especially in your morning routine. But this routine that I'm doing here is perfect for when you're wearing makeup, when you have to apply sunscreen on top. I would suggest to allow everything to absorb for a good half an hour or so before applying sunscreen. You just want everything to absorb, especially this cream. But oh my goodness, this cream just makes your skin feel so good. It literally feels like silk, like glycerin, but again, not heavy, not greasy or sticky. I can't explain it until you try it yourself. And I really hope that you try this cream, especially when your skin is dry and it just feels like it needs additional moisture. This cream is seriously going to rock your world. I know, it's just a cream, but I am so amazed by this cream. I can't believe how well this has worked on my combination acne-prone skin. Now, I'm not going to apply this because my skin is feeling really good right now, but if I wanted to add a little bit more to this routine, I always like to apply a barrier balm, because I feel like these balms really help to lock in the moisture and hydration from all of the products that we just applied on the skin. So it's basically like a sealant that just locks everything in. And I don't do this in my morning routine because using a barrier balm isn't exactly great to use when you still need to apply sunscreen and makeup. It's just too much, too heavy, and your makeup and sunscreen don't exactly sit nicely on top of this, at least from my experience. So I only use balms, like barrier balms, at nighttime, and I feel like that's the best time to use it. Now this is the KarramMD Enrich, which is a breathable barrier balm that I will use on top of face cream or some type of lotion. Sometimes I will even skip my moisturizer step, the cream that I just used, and I will just use this right after the last serum or whatever I just used. And this is a great way, again, to lock in moisture, but also it helps to give that additional moisture to the skin as well. And it's thick, it's very thick, it's like a balm. So I'm not gonna do that right now because, again, I don't need to, but one pump and I warm it up in the palm of my hand and I just pat it all over my skin. And I'm telling you right now, it does wonders when your skin is absolutely angry and dry and tight. It really helps to lock in that moisture, and when you wake up the next morning, your skin looks and feels incredible and your skin remains glowy. It's absolutely wonderful. There's a lot of plant-based oils in this formulation. There's actually bakuchiol, and there's also a lipid complex in here. So I have a 20% off discount code with KarramMD. I have talked about the vitamin C serum, the Illuminate anti-aging cream, the cleanser, the polish, but this barrier balm is a really nice addition when you need it, and I had to include it in this video. Now for a lip treatment, honestly, I switch it up all the time, but I have been pretty consistent with the U Beauty, the Plasma Lip Compound. Now this is the universal, which means there's no pigment, but there are several shades to pick from if you would like to use this during the day in replacement of lipstick, tinted lip balms, and so on. I have the universal as I like to use this before bed. Sometimes I will use this in the morning or once throughout the day, but it's very nourishing, very repairing, but it also has AHAs in it to help exfoliate the lips. But there's also shea butter, beeswax, ceramides, hyaluronic acid, peptides. There's a lot of great anti-aging ingredients in here to really treat the lips. And it just comes in a squeezy tube. It has a metal applicator, and I just apply a thin layer all over the lips. I do want to get the tinted options. I think that would be really nice for daytime instead of a tinted lip balm or lipstick. But it's nice to have a universal shade for nighttime because I just feel like the longer this stays on your lips, the better, because then of course it's just going to treat your lips and to nourish even more. So love this a lot, and I do have a discount code with U Beauty as well. So that is my skin repair routine. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I know my skin feels 10 times better, and if I continue with this routine for the next several days, both morning and evening, my skin honestly will be back to normal within a couple of days. It is game changing. So I really hope that I introduced you to a few new products today that you can incorporate on an everyday basis, or just when your skin is compromised and dry. But if you have any questions, please feel free to ask away in that comment section. And like I said, I will have everything that I used in this video, including discount codes, in my description box below. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And of course, I will see you all in the next video. Take care, and I will see you all then. Bye guys.